Don't know why I'm recording this, but I'm gonna, because I want to. I have these old Bose QC-15s, and I love them. I've kept them repaired for quite some time. Fourth set of pads. Just replaced one of the speakers in it. But one thing I've been meaning to get around to is... Come on, get off you. Is this mess. So, it's time to finally replace that. I got one of these cheap replacement headbands off Amazon, and I'm going to install it. So, let's see how this goes. I haven't even read the instructions yet, so I get to go on the journey with me. Ooh, a little screwdriver. And it's soft. Actually feels pretty nice. It's the right size. It is. Going to be a little bit thicker, but that should be fine. Yeah, not using this piece of shit. This should do it. First, pull out my Bluetooth adapter, I think. And let's get this undone. One screw. Two screw. Okay, yeah. Three screw. And four screw. Oh, it's got all kinds of crust and gunk from over the years in it. Delicious. These little tabs come off. Better be careful not to break this. Okay. So there's the exposed pedal and the band. Next, I need to remove the old headband without cutting the wire. Where is the wire? I hope that's the wire in the center. It's basically coming right off, so this is going to be pretty easy. Start with a nice there we go. This will be better. There's a little plastic dealie in here for rigidity. There's the wire right there. So, get this little transparent part. Now we're moving. Come on. All right, set that aside. Huh, pretty cool. Some of it has just turned to dust. So how does this guy come apart? Okay. So this has tabs, I think. Please don't break, please don't break. There we go. There we go. Smart little design. I like it. Ow. These are sharp. How's it smell? Tank Paws will be pleased. And so it says to stretch the headband to the fullest extent. So the wires are in the top position and install the bottom cover. I don't know why he wants me to stretch it. I'm not gonna. Then put the top part on. Gotta get all 10 hooks. Just like this. Ouch. That's 5. More than 5. That actually looks really nice. Pretty cool. Next, we have to see is this on right? Is this uneven? Yeesh. There. And what's next? These stabby things probably hold this in place. See the little spikes here? That's how it keeps from sliding around. That makes sense. So let's get this lined up properly. Make sure it's equidistant. And I do believe you go like this. Here. One here. I'm not the most coordinated individual. Oh, I see. These are guides for the wires, so I gotta be sure those are centered as well. No problem. Let's get this one first. Be sure that the wire guide goes in the proper place. Come on. This thing is fiddly. I had to edit some of this out. Hold that in place. Put this here. Just like that. Screw. I have no idea if this is even on camera, but we'll see. Ah! Try this one. And that's 2. Let's see if you're actually held on. Yeah, it's secure. All right, next one. Phone alarm. Go. Put this in. Ouch. Screw, 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 screw. There we go. One more screw. This camera's probably shakier than Battlestar Galactica. But I don't do many of these, so I don't have a proper setup. The camera's actually just sitting on top of a cheap desk lamp. But, oh no, look at this. This is gorgeous. I'm really happy with this. Nice and secure. Yeah, it's restored. Not bad. Alright, well, if you're watching, thanks for watching.